Welcome back, guys. So I did post, I think it was my first video with the walk around of the bike, and that was when I just got it. And as you can see, I mean, now it really is custom and definitely to my liking. Actually sent it to one of my friends. No idea what it was gonna look like. Just told him go with it and use your imagination, and it came out pretty well. So the first thing was I had these stripes done, and I had them on the bottom here as well. And if you look closely, it looks like stickers, but it's actually flat. It's painted on, and you can see the metallic flakes in there. That's just like in the silver right here. And on the screen itself, he painted on the inside and not on the outside. So if you feel it on top, it's smooth. I was thinking about changing the mirrors, but I actually quite like them. I mean, unlike most people, I actually use them, and I don't really see the point of having it right there where everybody likes it. And I mean, it goes with the look, but practicality, I don't really want to look all the way down to see what's behind me. I mean, I'd rather just move my eyes just a little lower, and the mirror's right there. You can see painted this as well. It was all black. If you go around, it's small little details, and it's nothing too fancy. Sort of looks like the bike came standard like that. He put the small little stripe at the bottom there as well, and the tank, he actually put a clear ceramic coating on it because the scratches were getting a bit much. Now I did see another guy who actually designed this specifically for me, and I'm getting it remade. So basically it's gonna come all the way from the bottom all the way to the top and end right here, and the side piece will come on the crease and go all the way down. So I did order a radiator guard. I actually made one, and it didn't work out very well. I mean, the design and everything was fine, but it wasn't letting enough air in. So to buy one from Kawasaki themselves, it was coming to like 2000, 2500, and just for a small thin piece of metal, that's a bit much. So actually got it online for like 10% of the price, and well, I went with that. So I think now I'm just gonna take off the protectors right there on either side and paint those, as well as the bar ends. But all in all, it really is one of a kind now. If we come to the back, you can see the chain guard he painted as well, and put the same design right there. So I mean, from black plastic, it's not too bad. It came out very nice, and it doesn't overpower the bike or the color or anything of that sort. So I'll take out this one as well, get it painted. When the radiator guard comes, we'll do a little bit of painting on that. I mean, since we've got the color already, so might as well. And I'll definitely put that video up of when we're installing it, because I see everybody's got that problem where this hole is right here, but the other one is on the inside, and just for that small little hole, you're gonna have to take off this whole side panel and removing fairings, putting it back. It's a big mission. So I've got a plan, and hopefully it works without really doing all that, but I'll definitely put that video up. But yeah, the bike's looking sweet. I've got some rim tape coming in as well, so a lot more modifications to come. But this is now a custom Z900 for all your your needs. If you want any customization at a good price, it's nothing too expensive. I mean, it's basically just the labor. I've got the guy for you. His name is Trevor, and you can trust him. So just comment if you want to do any modifications, and I'll drop you his number.